Okay, so good morning. In today's session, we are just going to have a look at the essays that you have submitted. So I see that a lot of people haven't submitted the essays. If you haven't submitted, please submit them today because in the next two sessions also we are going to have a feedback of the essays only. There won't be any class as such, but I'll give you individual feedback on your essays. Like I told you in the last class, please go into Moodle and there is a 2020 crash course Capgemini essay. Submit that. The topic is impact of social networking sites. So that's already been told to you in the last class. In ECE B1, I can see only 7 people have submitted. So let's have a look one by one, whoever has submitted. Is Yogesh available?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just open your essay and give you feedback.
Okay, sir.
You have written 391 words, which is not necessary. Okay, you just need to write 300 words because in the software won't allow you to write more than 300 words. That's one. Uh, okay, now did you take all these points from the internet or you have written on your own? Yogesh, hello. Yogesh, can you hear me? So it looks like you have copied the stuff from the internet. What is the point now? You guys are supposed to write the essay on your own, right? This is only a practice for you. Hmm. So first try you were supposed to do on your own. It's a very simple topic, impact of social networking sites. What you could have done is you use WhatsApp, Twitter, all these websites, right? So you could have simply written how advantageous it is to you, what you do with this. You chat with your friends, you chat with your family members. There's so many other things that you do on social media, right? So that's the kind of thing that you needed to do. And if you copy it from the internet, there's no point. See, first of all, when like I told you, you have divided into paragraphs. All that is fine. But see, when you start a paragraph, please give a tab. Okay, like this. Give some space when you start off a paragraph. Okay, yeah. So that's about it. I want everybody to write the essay on their own and submit. There is no point in copying from the internet. I want personalized words. If you make sentences only, you'll know what errors you make. So please make sure that you write on your own. Okay? I don't know how I can score this. Anyways, next. Nitish Sai available? Are you there? Okay. For those of you who have joined right now, all we are going to do is have a look at your essays one by one, whoever has submitted it. If you haven't submitted it, please submit it today because in the next two classes also we are going to do the same. We're just going to give you feedback on your essays, personalized feedback. So please do not copy from the internet. Try to write the essay on your own, maximum 300 words. Now you have written, now Nitish, you have written only 132 words. This is not enough. You have to write 300 words. And this also looks like you have copied this from the internet. See, anybody can find out. See, this kind of language is only used by people who are journalists. They write blogs, they write articles. Okay, it's pretty obvious that you have copied from the internet. Anyone can find out. Hmm? Unless you give personal examples. I told you, you guys need to use real-time evidence, facts, and all that. So try to write something that is believable, that you have written it on your own. Okay, I don't know how to grade this. Okay, Sai Sumant available? Are you there? Okay, hold on. This also looks like it's been copied. He also copied points from the net. Huh? You know how we can find out? It's because of these kind of sentences. As an evaluator, we can easily find out whether it's copied or not. If it is your own wordings, then it would be very, very simple. It won't be this kind of language. Do you understand? Hmm. Okay, so please make sure that you guys write your essays on your own. Okay, do not copy from the internet. Next, Charan Sai available? Are you there? Okay. You've written 448 words. This also looks like it's been copied from the internet. Even when you copy, please do not use headings like this. You're not supposed to use headings in essays for any paragraph. Okay? See, again, heading over here. Do not use headings. Okay? Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. So do not copy from the internet. Please write your own essays. This kind of stuff is not at all okay. Next, Priyanka Gandhi available? Huh? Are you there? Okay. Hold on. See, when you use words like WhatsApp, Facebook, and all, these are all proper nouns. So you need to capitalize this. It has to be a capital W over here. Facebook has to be a capital F. And when you put a comma after that, make sure you give a space. Only then those two words will be taken as two different words in the software. Otherwise, if you do not give a space, both of them will be taken as one word. And nowadays is not like this. It is a single word. Okay. You don't need not give any dash, gap, or anything in between. Even here, you can see these two, there is a full stop in between, so you need to give a space after that. Okay. See, word itself is underlining in red. That means there is something wrong with what you have written. Word does not know what is WhatsApp. That is why it has underlined in red. That is okay because it's a proper noun. Okay. But here, why has it underlined? It is because after engineers, after this comma, you have to give a gap, you have to give a space. Here also, if you give a space, then where is the underline gone? It's gone, right? That means now it is correct. And here it is underlined in green. Why has it underlined in green? Because something again is wrong over there. You should not put two dots and all over here. Just put a comma, space bar, etc. Full stop. That's all. Now the green is gone. You saw? Hmm. So you need to remember all this stuff. And you have written only 225 words. You have to write more words. Okay. It has to be close to 300. Make sure you have approximately 300. This also looks like you've copied from the internet only. Have you written on your own or you've taken some points from the internet? Okay, fine. Okay, so make sure this small things you take care of this space bar and putting space after full stop, this commas, all that stuff you need to take care. Okay, otherwise the essay seems to be fine, no issues. All right. So I can mark what is your name? Priyanka, right? So okay, 80 should be fine. 8 out of 10. Okay, next Hemalata, are you there? Is Hemalata there? Not there. Okay. What about Hemavati? Hemavati, you're there. You have sent a message, but you can speak to me. Mic not working. Great. Okay, so I'll just give you the feedback. You can listen to it. This. Okay, see this kind of double quotes. Please do not use in order to highlight a word. Okay, it's wrong. You should not use these kind of words. Okay. See, in between more and media, there is a full stop, so you need to put a space after the full stop. Please, wherever you have a full stop, please put a space after that. Spelling mistake, enhances, Enhances. Okay. Okay, now you guys need not put this kind of percentage. Please do not put any percentage at all because you cannot prove it. Please use minority or majority. Social media takes up most of our day. That is an alternative. All right. Okay. Otherwise, the essay seems to be pretty good. Only a few mistakes here and there, so please be careful with that. I can also give you 80 out of 100. Okay. What about the rest of B1? What happened to you? B1 class, why nobody has submitted? Only 7 people have submitted. Please submit it today in Moodle. Okay. All this report is going to the placement department. They are going to categorize your eligibility for placement based on all this data. Okay. So please make sure that you submit the essay before end of day today. Okay, let's go to B2. B2 is really bad. Hardly any of you submit. Three people have submitted out of 30, you know. Really bad. Okay, is Karthik there? Okay, it's all on. Is this written by you fully? How many words is this? Because it's in PDF, so I don't cannot find out how many words. Okay, that's fine. Now, this social media need not be capitalized because it's a common noun. So, otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Even this virtual classrooms, virtual workspaces, all these things are common nouns. So, please do not capitalize. But here you have capitalized Facebook, Reddit, and everything. You have to do that. You have done that correctly. Okay. One more thing you need to do is in the beginning of a paragraph, please use a tab. A tab. Give some space before you start. You know the tab key on top of the caps lock. Yeah, if you can use that, it would give you some gap before you start in the paragraph. Okay. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Next. What about Kishore? Are you there? Kishore EL. What is your email ID? Kishore Kishore 837100. Okay. Just open your. Have you written on your own or copied? Hmm. Hmm. But it doesn't look like you've written most of the stuff on your own. So please, from now onwards, when you have an essay to write, please write on your own. In the beginning itself, you have made a mistake because starting of the sentence itself, you need to use a capital mark. Social networking. Okay. First sentence. Hmm. Okay. But also one more thing, your introduction paragraph is too long. You have directly gone into. You can see that. Just make sure that your introduction paragraph is only about 4 or 5 lines at the max. Okay. See, I want you guys to give personal examples, real time evidence, how you use social media for your benefit. Okay. How it helps you personally. That way we can at least believe that you have written this stuff on your own. Okay. Otherwise, it's only mainly it is only paragraphs. Otherwise, it seems to be pretty good. But make sure that you write on your own. Okay. Yeah. What about Kishore M? Are you there? Kishore M. Can't hear me, huh? Can't you speak? Kishore M. Are you there? You're just sending a message. You're out for COVID 19 tester. Great. Okay, then no worries. Do you want to listen to my feedback or you want to go for the test, ma? Okay, fine. So this also looks pretty much copied from the internet. Please, guys, do not copy from the internet. Looks pretty much copied from the internet. Anyways, see, there's no point in correcting your essays like this if you've copied from the internet. You will not get your personalized feedback. The whole point of asking you to upload is only to find out what your language is and how you are supposed to, change your language in order to write your essay better. So that's the whole point of this exercise. But many of you have just done just for the heck of it. So please do not do that. It's okay. It's not, it looks referred, but most of the sentences looks like it's from the internet. That's the thing. Okay, so please make sure you write anything only on your own. Please do not copy. All right. Anyways, ECB2 also lots of people haven't submitted. For those of you who have joined right now, please guys make sure that you submit by this evening. That's all for today. Okay, so I'll just call out your attendance. Uh, I'm going to call according to your roll number order only. So uh, whenever your turn comes, just switch on your mic, say present or whatever, and then you can mute your mic immediately. Okay, right. Um, Dinakaran, Delhi Babu. Okay. Dinesh Kumar. Dinesh Kumar, are you there? Yeah. Divakar, Divya, present, sir. Maunya, Raju Krishna, Yogesh, Samuel, Elavarasan, Rupesh, Nitish Sai. Okay. Sumant, Sai Sumant. Okay, man. Okay. Sai Sumant. Okay. Charan Sai, Galla Charan, Ganesh, Dinesh, Anish, okay. Goodwin, Gautami, Priyanka, Anupama, Sumana, Hariharan, Harita, Hemalata, Hemavati. Okay, Hemavati present. Hmm. Anisha, Manisha. Okay. Idris Ahmed, Ritvik, Ritvik, are you there? Okay. Jay Vigneshwaran. Okay. Janani, Priya. Janani R. Uh, Janani S. Janavi SR. Okay. Pratik Reddy, Nandakumar, Jyotika,
Yes, sir.
Joy Pravina, and Yashwant Reddy, Vaishali,
Present, sir.
Kamali, Sai Prakash Reddy, Venkat Sai Prakash Reddy, Karan, Karnam, Sushman, Karti S, Kartik B,
Present, sir.
okay, Kartikeyan, Karunya,
Present, sir.
Sashi Kumar Reddy, Venkat Sashi Kumar Reddy, Kavya,
Present, sir.
Nandini, Kishore HK, Kishore EL,
Present, sir.
okay, Kishore M, not there, Kishore Kumar R, Jashwant, Nikhil, Naga Charan, Kokila Priya,
Yes, sir.
Anil Naidu. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today.